Social Service Institute or SSI, formerly known as the Social Service Training Institute or SSTI, that was officially launched in 2003, aims to build manpower capability in the social service sector. In 2013, SSTI celebrated its 10 years of success and was renamed as SSI to signify the move beyond training and towards becoming the focal point for an integrated learning hub. And appointed by the then WDA, now known as SkillsFuture Singapore, as a CET Centre for Social Services. In 2016, the relocation to Central Plaza in Tiong Bahru brought SSI closer to other social service organisations in the area, providing opportunities for collaborations. In 2017, SSI embarked on the Education Innovation 2020 initiative to bring innovation in learning to the social service and non-profit sector.
Several things that the sector can actually do to take advantage of what we're putting in place. For instance, they can create new programs that take advantage of the tools and the facilities. I think they can also come here and work with us to innovate using again the tools and the infrastructure that we've put in place. A good example of that is again GatherHere. They can create their own communities, they can create their own groups within GatherHere and work together on specific projects. I think there's lots of things that the sector can do to take advantage of what we're putting in place.
To exemplify, simplicity, mobility, intelligence, learning collaboration, and empowerment of adult educators and learners. The classrooms integrate pedagogy space technology to facilitate innovative approaches in curriculum design and are equipped with user-friendly portable technologies for improved learning outcomes.
It's actually very interactive. For example, the interactive projector as well as the use of the iPads. It actually allows me as a trainer to interact digitally with the learners.
It's helpful because then we are also given ideas of what we can speak, and sometimes in the open class I may be a bit shy to share my experiences. But with this opportunity of writing down, it really helps me to share what I think and I can contribute towards the discussion.
With this smart software, learners are actually able to input information and whatever questions that they have, and then transmit it to the trainer, and then it's actually blown up on screen and everybody can benefit from this collaborative learning.
It's really interactive. It's interfacing each other as well, so we can do it on the go. We don't have to be in a old classroom per se.
SSI collaborated with SkillsFuture Singapore to bring a learning management system on board. SSI will be progressively converting our courses into blended learning to incorporate an online component with quizzes, slides, and supplementary reading materials before the classroom session. This means that the time during classroom session can be used more meaningfully for discussion and application of ideas.
It allows for flexibility of the time that our learner has to learn at their own pace. It makes it very engaging, and also it caters to the different needs of our learners.
I find it very useful because we are able to get more information before we actually sit in for the class. And also when the trainer explains to us, we already have some ideas on what she's trying to tell us.
GatherHere is an online portal to build knowledge-empowered social service professionals. When learners are not enrolled in a course, they can continue learning through collaborating and sharing of ideas. In the 9 months since its inception, there are over 20,000 portal members in GatherHere, 21 online communities of practice, 8 networks, and over 450 curated materials. SSI is engaging various associations such as Singapore Association of Social Workers, Singapore Psychological Society, and the Therapy Associations to set up their communities. Look out for GatherHere for board members, research database containing ProQuest, and curated materials.
SSI will be different in the future. SSI will not exist as a traditional training institute anymore. SSI will be a hub for the social service sector, whereby it will pioneer new learning pedagogies It will provide multiple platforms for our adult educators and our learners to interact, to assess the different contents variety. Exercise will provide multiple forms of content in the form of games, in the form of classroom interactions. We hope to see ourselves as the authorities when it comes to social service learning. And we will provide learning not just to a particular group of professionals, but it will cater to the entire sector needs.
SSI will continue to build a vibrant landscape of high-quality training, harnessing the benefits of the latest learning technologies and innovative pedagogies to spearhead learning in the sector to greater heights. Together, we will build a stronger, future-ready social service workforce.